Let's in the meantime get you more reactions that are coming in this breaking update, because the BJP is now taking a jibe at Rahul Gandhi. BJP has been scoffing at those assertions, the bold assertions as they called of Rahul Gandhi, saying that if she was capable enough to defeat Prime Minister Modi from Varanasi, then why didn't she contest elections, and why wasn't Rahul Gandhi pitching for himself?
अरे ये एक इमेजिनरी सिचुएशन है, लेकिन कमाल की बात है कि इमेजिनरी सिचुएशन में भी राहुल गांधी खुद नहीं लड़ सकते हैं प्रधानमंत्री मोदी से। यहां पे भी बहन को ही आगे कर दिया। अब भाई देवी बहन को लड़ने से रोका किसने था, ये भी बताए थे जरा। परिवार ने रोक दिया कि आपने रोक दिया? बेचारे राहुल गांधी।
उन्होंने कहा कि प्रियंका गांधी जी अगर लड़ने को तैयार होती, जो मुश्किल से मोदी जी जीत कर गए हैं वो हार कर जाते लंबे अंतराल से। और राहुल गांधी जी ने बड़ा संदेश दिया है, इंडिया गठबंधन ने मजबूती के साथ उत्तर प्रदेश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी को बुरी तरह हराया है।
Now, even when it comes to the prospects in Uttar Pradesh, also loom large on another decision that Rahul Gandhi needs to take to pick between Wayanad and Raebareli. It's been over a week now, ever since the election results were announced. And Times Now has learned that UP cadre wants Gandhi signed to stay put in Raebareli, as it could help in the party's revival in politically significant state. This is UP, a decision that has to be taken before the 17th of June, as any Lok Sabha candidate who wins from multiple seats has to give up one within 14 days of the election results.
एक बड़ा फैसला जो है राहुल गांधी के ऊपर है, कौन सी सीट चुनेंगे। कांग्रेस कमेटी लगातार कह रही है कि रायबरेली की सीट
नहीं, वहां पर पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश के लोगों ने सर्वसम्मत से कहा है कि राहुल जी को निश्चित तौर से यहां पर रहना चाहिए और काम करना चाहिए, और मैं समझता हूं कि वो रायबरेली से वो निश्चित तौर से कर।
Well, Sabya, if we talk about today's date, today's 12th. Election results came out on the 4th. It's been over a week, and it seems that Rahul Gandhi, in particular the Congress, haven't made up their mind on which seat that he would represent in the Lok Sabha.
Well, absolutely. See, 5 days is left till Mr. Rahul Gandhi to decide whether he would go with the Wayanad seat or he would go with the Raebareli seat. Meanwhile, the UP cadre of the Congress party has been constantly maintaining the fact that Rahul Gandhi need to stay with Raebareli and give up his Wayanad seat. Looking at the recent result that has come out from the state of Uttar Pradesh, looking at the sentiments, it is very much important that Mr. Gandhi should choose the Raebareli seat instead of Wayanad. Before the start of the polls, when Rahul Gandhi was asked to contest either from Amethi or Raebareli, he was not very keen. At that time, he wanted to just contest from Wayanad, but because of the continuous pressure that had been coming in from the Uttar Pradesh cadre as well as the party leadership, Rahul Gandhi decided that he would contest from Raebareli. Meanwhile, we had seen that he had released a video thanking the people of Raebareli for voting for him and making him win the Raebareli seat. But this time around, the decision solely lies with
well, what
Mr.
is
Gandhi.
being said that after Raebareli, Rahul Gandhi will also be going to Wayanad to thank the people there. For this time, it's been a handsome win for Rahul Gandhi in both of the seats, but a decision needs to be taken soon on which seat that he will represent in the Lok Sabha. Sabyasachi, thank you very much for the update. You're watching Times Now. We will